Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove green screen on DaVinci Resolve. So first of all, you want to go ahead to the Fusion option here, this one. And now on effects, you're going to try to find on the search bar here, Delta Gear, this one. So you want to choose it and you can click on it or just drag it somewhere here. And you want them to be connected with these media out and media in. Now, once you are here, go ahead to the right side of the DaVinci, and where it says background color, you want to click on it, and just like so. Now you can choose how to find that color, but I'm just gonna choose the background color picker, and you're gonna just choose this green option. You're gonna click OK, and now as you can see, your video is now without a background. Now, as you can see, the hair are not really looking great. So we need to fix it. So just go ahead and click matte. Now you want to click on matte again, and there should be no grays and no white, no grays in the white and no grays in the black background. So we want to fix it. Now, when you drag this one, there will be no gray, as you can see, in the black background. So we just fixed that. And now the same goes for the white. So we can do this like so. And now you just click again, final results, and the hairs were fixed. And now you can upload any background you want or use it like so. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.